Let's make this ultimate comfort food stuffed pepper casserole. I'm going to start with a pot, heat up 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 white onion, and then of course add in 1 pound of lean ground beef. We're going to break it apart with spatula and let it cook for around 5-7 minutes, mixing it all up until the meat is brown. Now I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons paprika, 2 teaspoons ground cumin, salt and black pepper to taste. We're going to add in our garlic that's minced. Stir all the ingredients together and let it cook for a minute or so before adding in red bell peppers and yellow bell peppers. I'm then going to add in some water and of course chopped tomatoes with Worcestershire sauce, and we're going to add in our uncooked basmati rice, combine all of it very well and bring it to boil. Once we bring it to boil, we're going to reduce the heat and cover it with a lid. We want to let this casserole simmer for around 25 minutes in total. Once it's cooked, remove the pot from the heat, stir it up and cover it with cheddar cheese, around 1 cup in total, and then cover again with a lid and let it sit for 10 minutes before serving. I'm going to serve this with some chopped fresh parsley because it tastes like magic, and honestly this is the most comforting meal that's actually quite healthy that you will make. Enjoy! For more recipes, go to allnutritious.com.